We're told to eat with our mouths closed, don't reach across the table, and don't start till everyone sits at the table. Fuck that. This food is kind of like my biography and the biography of all the people I grew up with.
Giriamo il mondo per portare qui innovazione.
This is where all these cultures mix.
Tommy brought the burger to Iceland.
I had never tasted anything as good. Unbelievable.
Di solito in Giappone per fare del buon sushi bisogna essere uomini e giapponesi. Io sono una donna e italiana.
Our planet is in an unsustainable condition and eating insect could be a solution. Traveling, you face the cultural differences. You learn to be open-minded and not judge the food, but the taste.
We bring together different cultures.
The best things come from when cultures collide.